Sheesh. Goddamn peeping Tom. Yo, what's up everybody? Today we're gonna be going to go steal some early birds. These roofers who came in complaining because they didn't want to go up there because of the weather. But here we are, you know, getting our lowers done. But I'm gonna go steal them. There we are. Got our early birds. And they don't. Turbo's looking good on my side. Woo! This is why we didn't use it. I mean, it still looks okay, but it's kind of crooked. It's on sale. We have in Spruce Grove. Got a nice 104 bundle smash. You know what it is, get the good. Time is it, Mo?
Time to get that motherfucking money,
Ooh, ready to smash. Ain't that right, Mo money?
Yes, sir.
$104 bundle smash. Get the good. Oh, it's good, bros.